Amaya is here. Harimo is here. Harimo, how's your baby? Harimo, where's your babies?
He's eating the baby.
No, your Gigi babies.
Come here.
Where's your Gigi babies? Raze, Chizu, Raze.
Okay.
Come on, let's go. Come on, my bitch. Come on. Harimo. Okay, go. Come on. Oh, Bismillah. Where's your car seat? Where's your car seat?
I'm gonna say hi.
So where we going?
Don't
do that.
House.
No, we're gonna go. Caleb gonna meet us.
I'm here.
Oh, she said I'm here.
I wanna pick.
Okay, go and talk. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
How are you?
I wanna pick Caleb up.
You wanna pick Caleb up?
Yeah.
Okay, then we're gonna call Caleb. Yeah, you here? Where you going?
I'm going to the beach.
Beach. But first we're going shopping. Yeah. Go and you.
Please subscribe and click the bell to get notification.
Go and talk to my followers.
Assalamu alaikum.
How are you?
How are you?
Tell them what we're gonna do on weekend. Hold it properly, Kana.
On the weekend, I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna play because I was 60 days off. Yes, I do have that off.
Tell them about Gigi babies.
The Gigi babies. One of the Gigi babies are mine.
He's coming.
One of the Gigi babies are mine, and is white and black.
Yeah.
And I can take it home. I play with it.
But no, now in 12 weeks.
Huh?
In 12 weeks because she's feeding them now.
In 12 weeks, I'm gonna take it home.
Yeah, inshallah, kana bacha. Okay, dua hua hai. Subhanallah.
Subhanallah.
Yeah, come on.
Sahana haza wama kunna lahu mukarinin wa inna ila rabbina lamunqalibun.
Yeah, good, mashallah.
I learned it from my dad, but now I can do it.
Hold the camera properly, Kana, then talk. Gadegi. Yeah, now talk.
My dad told me how to do
Dua.
the car dua.
You know any other dua?
I do the bedtime.
Go and say it.
Thing.
Don't move camera too much.
Allahumma bismika amutu wa ahya.
Mashallah. Allahumma bismika amudu wa ahya. No wa ahya.
Wa ahya.
Yeah, it's from the throat. Okay?
Oh, okay.
And which surah you know? Hold the camera properly.
I don't know any surahs.
No, you know surah the Ulilulli kulli humazatil.
Yeah.
Go and read that. You forget already?
Yeah, I did.
Aww.
When I used to be
What about Qul Huwallahu Ahad?
I forgot it. Yeah. I accidentally forgot it. So I accidentally forgot it.
Yeah.
What? When I was 4 years old, you used to teach me.
So बच्चों ने तो दिखा दी आपको हमारी अब ये बेटी है मैं इधर लेके आई हूँ मैंने कहा चले एक रेसिपी बनाऊंगी उसके लिए सेंसबरी से कुछ चीजें लेके आई हूँ तो चले आपको बताती हूँ इन दो मॉन्स्टरों के साथ मैं कैसे शॉपिंग करूंगी मॉन्स्टर ये देखो ये क्या कर रही है ये अपनी वीडियो बना के शो इसको स्नैपचैट अच्छा लगता है उस पे रंग बिरंगी फिल्टर लगा के लगाती है Are you ready to go out?
Yeah.
Come on then. Come on.
I will go that way.
इसको तो पसीना आ जाती You wanna go that way? Okay, come on then. Come on.
Hello.
ये बना ये और ये बना ये बस एक मिनट 1 minute बार बार कह रही है I wanna go that way पता नहीं इस वे पे इसको क्या मिला है. Come on. हरी होल्ड हमाया. हरीमो हैंड. चलो. Come on. आते ही दोनों ने हेयर बैंड उठा लिए. ये कहती है मैंने बेबी के कपड़े लेने हैं. ये देखो आया. What you doing?
I'm holding it.
They all so excited. कितने ये excited है babies के लिए.
Can I hold it?
You happy, Amaya? Look, I'm gonna record with Gigi.
Now.
Don't.
Hold them.
Gigi?
You can hold them, Sumo.
No. Don't hold them. Don't hold them. Gigi get angry. Don't. Don't hold them. Gigi gonna bite you. Just do that to Gigi. Look at that, like that.
Don't hold
Look. They're drinking milk. Look, they're drinking milk. Amaya, look. They're drinking milk.
I couldn't even see. Baby.
So Amaya just say to me, don't record it. It's a privacy. Isn't it, Amaya?
No, I did that.
Yes, you did. अभी यार अमाया को शर्म आ रही है. मुझे कहती है ये उसकी प्राइवेसी का टाइम है, उसको रिकॉर्ड ना करो. ये बच्चे कितने क्लेवर हैं.
Gigi's angry at you. Stop it.
Don't. Gigi's very angry.
Squash him.
Yeah, but we need to.
Don't squash him. How do we even take Gigi out of the baby and I can get my baby back?
You
I'm
can't
playing
have
with
your
it.
baby.
How to play with it?
You can't have your baby
I wanna
until they're
play
12
with it.
weeks old. Gigi,
No,
it's okay,
play with
bacha.
it.
It's okay. They don't harm your children, babu.
Don't touch him.
Huh?
Stop.
Okay.
I just love my baby.
You can't have this baby for next 12 weeks.
He's gonna bite you in the finger.
What?
He's gonna bite you in the Please.
What happened?
He's gonna bite your hand.
I know.
Please,
Look
please.
at that. Oh, look. Harim is so gentle. Harim, you're very gentle, baby. Oh, Harim, you're very gentle. Amaya, don't be upset, bacha. Oh, Harim, oh, Gigi's very tired, Harim. Oh, because she feeding her children, so that's why she's very. I know, Harimo.
She won't scratch him.
Is it okay then? You scratch
the baby. I wanna take the baby.
If you take baby from mother, Allah ji gonna be very upset with you.
But how do we move him?
Because Allah ji said don't take the baby away when the mother feeding them.
Beep.
Yeah, isn't it, Harimo? Allah ji gonna be very upset, isn't it?
Everyone just took to me.
Huh?
Everyone just touched it off my mommy.
No, the stripy one is yours.
Yeah, I know. When I was a little baby, everybody used to just fight over me.
Yeah, everybody fight over you because you were so cute.
And squishy.
And squishy, yeah. Everybody want Amaya to hold. But you know, human baby and animal baby are different. Because human understand, animal don't. Animal think you gonna snatch her baby away from her.
Oh, yeah.
No, Babu, don't. What I told you, Harimo, Gigi's very tired. She's a mother of
the
four.
baby is so cute. He can't see petty.
I know.
Please, can I hold it?
But Jai, look. She feeding them. Look, she feeding them.
Let me take the picture some more.
You wanna take a picture?
When are they even gonna stop?
In a minute. Look, it's so cute. Look, she's feeding them. Look. Oh.
Cheese.
Look. हरीम उसको कैमरा पकड़ के कहती है चीज. हरीम उसे चीज. ये मेरे और 4 ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन है.
Let me hold him.
Okay, hold it. Okay, but don't break my camera.
I'll hold it.
Oh, okay. Oh, ये छोटा है, ये अमाया का है. Oh, why? Gigi, go, Gigi, take her.
Look at me.
Wait, Gigi's angry. Gigi, take her, Gigi. Look. Gigi feeding her. Oh, Gigi's such a cute mother. Gigi's such a cute
I
mother.
can't squat him.
Yeah. She's very tired. You need to massage her like this. Look, she's very tired. Look, I teach you. I show you. Wait. Got it now?
Ah! What's my one? Yes.
Where's your one?
What the fuck?
Is that yours?
Yeah, that's mine.
Okay. So
That's
shall
right.
we make pizza? Let them feed. Let
Actually,
them.
this one is ours.
Look, let them have milk. Don't touch it. Look. She don't like you touching her babies.
No. I want this one and this one.
You can have anyone you want, but no
I
now.
want this one. I want the white one and the.
Amaya, you can have anyone, but no now, okay?
Okay.
Don't
Can I
touch.
play with mine at least?
Okay, when they finish milk.
Well, my one is finished doing it.
Yeah, but Gigi's angry, Kana, huh?
No.
This one is yours. Oh, she's cute.
Let me go.
Gigi, your kids are very cute. Gigi, your kids are very cute.
Why is it so?
Wishu. Wee. Oi. Da.